Linking your bank account to Envista Credit Union is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Visit the Envista Credit Union website. Go to the official Envista Credit Union website using your preferred web browser. Ensure that you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Log into your account. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select Link Bank Account. Look for an option that says Link Bank Account or Add External Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. You may be prompted to provide your bank account details. Step 5. Enter your bank information. Fill out the required fields with your bank account number, routing number, and any other requested information. Review the details for accuracy and submit the information to complete the linking process. After following these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Envista Credit Union account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.